Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the problems of pure strategy. In this problem, first of all we will find out the saddle point and the game value. Now look at the example. Find out optimum strategies of players in the following game. Player A and player B. Player A has 3 strategies 1, 2, 3 and player B has 3 strategies 1, 2, 3 and these all are the outcome of payoff matrix. First step is find out the row minimum. In the row minimum, find out the lesser value, smaller value in the each row. Now look at the first row 25, 20 and 30. The smaller element, the lesser element is the 20. Write down 20 in the row minimum. In the second row 50, 45 and 55. The lesser element is 45. In the third row 58, 40 and 42. The lesser element is 40. After row minimum, find out the column maximum. In column maximum, find out the highest value in each column. Now look at the first column 25, 50 and 58. The highest value is 58. In the second column, highest value is 45 and in the third column, highest value is 55. After this, in the row minimum, find out the maximum number. Now in the row minimum there are 20, 45 and 40. Out of this 3 number, maximum number is 45. We call it a max min value. And in the column, find out the minimum number. In the column there are 3 elements 58, 45 and 55. The lesser element, the smaller element is 45. We call it a mean max value. Now compare the max min value and mean max value. Here max min value is equal to 45 and min max value is also 45. Therefore we can say that max min value is equal to mean max value. And saddle point is equal to max min should be equal to the min max. Here max min is equal to 45 and min max is also equal to 45. Now find out the game value. Game value is denoted by V and game value is intersection of max min value and min max value and the intersection of max min and min max value is this 45. Therefore game value is equal to 45. After this, final step is we want to find out the optimum strategy for player A and player B. Optimum strategy of player A and player B, P1, P2 and P3, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now for player A, we have selected this strategy. This is the second strategy. Therefore here we will mark 1 and we have ignored the strategy 1 and 3. Therefore here we will mark 0 and 0. Therefore here our final strategy is equal to Therefore here player A's optimum strategy is equal to 0, 1 and 0. Now here for the player B, we have selected the strategy second. Therefore we will mark 1 for the strategy second and we have ignored the strategy 1 and strategy 3. Therefore our optimum strategy for player B is 0, 1 and 0. In this way we have find out the saddle point and game value and we have written the optimum strategy for player A and player B. Now look at the second example. Now here also we want to find out the saddle point and game value and optimum strategy. Player A has 3 strategies A1, A2 and A3. Player B has 3 strategies B1, B2 and B3. First step is find out the row minimum value in each row. 5, 9 and 3, the first row, the minimum value is 3. In the second row 6, minus 12 and minus 11. In minus 11 and minus 12, the minimum value is minus 12. And in the third row 7, 12 and 9, the minimum value is the 7. Similarly, find out the column maximum value. In the first column 5, 6 and 7, maximum value is 7. In the second column 9, minus 2 and minus 12, maximum value is 12. And in the third column 3, minus 11 and 9, the maximum value is 9. After row minimum and column maximum, find out the maximum value in the row minimum. In the row minimum, there are 3 elements 3, minus 12 and 7 and maximum value is 7. In the column maximum, find out the minimum value. In the column maximum there are 3 elements 7, 12 and 9 and the minimum value is this 7 minimum value. Therefore here we can say that our max min value is equal to mean max value. Max min value is 7 and min max value is also 7. Therefore we can say that the saddle point where the max min value is equal to min max value 7 is equal to 7. Now go for the game value. Game value is nothing but intersection point of max min value and min max value and the intersection point of max min and min max is this 7. Therefore, game value is equal to 7. And finally, we want to write down the optimum strategies for player A and player B. Now here, optimum strategy for player 1. Now here, optimum strategies for player A. We have selected this A3 strategy for player A. Therefore, here we will mark 1 and the remaining strategies are 0. Therefore, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And for player B, we have selected the B1 strategy. Therefore, here we will mark 1 and the remaining strategies we have ignored. Therefore, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. At the end, I would like to summarize this problem of pure strategies. First of all, we have find out the max min value. That max min value is 7. For max min, first of all, we have identified the row minimum, and out of that we have find out the maximum value. And also we have find out the min max value. In min max value, first of all, we have find out the column maximum, and out of that column maximum we have find out the minimum value. Max min value is equal to min max value. 7 is equal to 7. After that, we have find out the intersection of max min and min max. That intersection is 7, and this is nothing but our game value. And after that, finally we have written the optimum strategies for player A and player B. Look at the third example of pure strategies, player A and player B. Here also we want to find out the saddle point and value of the game and optimum strategies. Player A has 3 strategies, A1, A2 and A3, and player B has 4 strategies, B1, B2, B3 and B4. First step is find out the row minimum. In the first row, the minimum value is 1. In the second row, minimum value is 3. And in the third row, minimum value is 0. After that, find out the column maximum. The maximum value in the first column is 3. The maximum value in the second column is 5. The maximum value in the third column is 5. And the maximum value in the fourth column is 7. Find out the maximum number in row minimum. Now in row minimum, there are 1, 3 and 0, 3 numbers. Out of this 3, the maximum number is this 3, max. Find out the minimum number in the column maximum. There are 4 elements in column maximum, 3, 5, 5, 7. Out of that, minimum number is this 3 minimum number. Here we can say that our max min value is equal to mean max value. Saddle point is your max min value should be equal to the mean max value. Here max min value is 3 is equal to 3. Therefore here we can say that we can get the saddle point. Now find out the game value. Now the game value is the intersection between the max min value and mean max value. The intersection of max min and min max is this 3. Therefore here game value is 3. Finally now we want to write down the optimum strategies for player A and player B. The optimum strategies for player A is equal to A, A2 and A3. There are 3 strategies in player A. Player A has 3 strategies, and for player B, strategies are B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now look at the player A. We have selected this strategies A2. Therefore here we will mark 1, and we have ignored A1 and A3, 0. Therefore 0, 1, 0 is equal to 0, 1, 0. And for player B, we have selected this B1 strategies. Therefore here we will mark 1, and we have ignored remaining strategies. Therefore 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. At the end of this problem, again I would like to summarize this problem. Here we have find out the max min value. For the max min value, first of all we have identified the row minimum, and out of that row minimum we have identified the maximum value. For column side, we have find out the min max value. For min max value, first of all we have find out the column maximum, and in that column maximum we have find out the minimum value. For the saddle point, max min value should be equal to the min max value. Here our 3 is equal to 3, therefore this game has a saddle point, and game value V is equal to 3, the intersection of min max value and max min value. And finally we have written the optimum strategies for player A and player B.